Hey, Forte teachers. I'm Katie, the Chief Education Officer here at Forte, and I'm going to go through some info today about how to really easily set up additional profiles so that you can teach multiple instruments on Forte. When you log into your Forte teacher account, you're probably going to be on your Students tab in the left-hand navigation section over here. You're going to want to click on the bottom tab, which is Profile. When you click on that Profile tab, it's going to take you to your existing instrument profiles. You can see here that we are on my piano profile, and in this instrument profile 4, there's a drop down, and you can see my existing profiles here. We are then going to click on, just next to this drop down, the button that says +, add an instrument. When I click on that, it's going to bring me a drop down and it's going to allow me to select a different instrument that I am going to now teach on Forte. Today I'm going to select cello, and then I'm going to click the green button that says add instrument. When I click add instrument, it's going to then bring me to a brand new instrument profile that I can set up just like I did my existing profiles. Again, at the top here, I can toggle between my existing profiles. So here's my piano profile, here's my voice profile, and now today we're going to set up my cello profile. First things first, in this personal introduction section, you're going to add a photo. You're going to go and fill out your brief introduction, and you're going to give us the full introduction. We really like it if you add a photo that includes your instrument. It's a way for students to instantly connect with you as a teacher of the instrument that they want to study. So here in my personal introduction section, I'm going to add a picture of myself with my cello. In the brief introduction section, I'm going to tell students exactly what makes me a really fantastic teacher. I'm going to go straight to the heart of why they should choose me instead of any other teachers on Forte, and I'm going to be sure to include a little bit of my personality. It lets students get to know you and to decide that you are the person they want to study with. In my full introduction section, this is where I can go into as much detail and information as I need. I can talk about my education and my background and my certifications. I can go into information about my performance experience and my teaching experience. And really importantly, I'm going to talk about what students can expect in lessons with me. They want to know what it's going to be all about. This is where I can tell them. After I've filled out my personal introduction section and submitted a photo, be sure to click on Submit for Review. If your status says draft, that means that your profile has not yet been sent to the Forte team for review and approval. Once you've completed your personal introduction section and you've submitted it for review, you're going to go down below and do all these other sections just like you did on your original instrument profile. So the meet and greet preferences, experience, standard lesson pricing, and teaching preferences. Remember, the teaching preferences section is important because this is how we determine which students you really want to work with and for whom you are the perfect teacher. Once all of this is done, your profile will be reviewed by the Forte team, and then it will be active on the site so students can see you when they're searching for teachers and hopefully connect with you for a series of private lessons. You can click on this Add an Instrument button as many times as you need to be able to add as many teaching profiles as you want. Thanks for watching and happy teaching on Forte.